dentist, and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Gitembe Television, ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the classic bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Gitembe Television, ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Wewe vya mwanchu wa morigerali nanda setuna ende kene keonga chinsainye ase na kwalegeneri amange ayonyara kabaka kwaneke wa ime na isiko ya gusinje ni ngongoro kwa Aaron Ototo nyangire na kuruanza me manyerioni gakoro kwa Wilson Makori tubane amo kwikomwalio. Na yamata ya mokuru wa chinse mochi ya bogeka wodi ya Nyamasibi ime ye bunge gosi chinse mochi ya Nyamasibi ime ye bunge ya Nyaribali Masaba nigo ere nobuoba no mwichano magiga iyo mwana yo mugosire gumabwaye mega yo katabekana huna ninganya tokabaga gusaganwa na mamu mwabo neye ngo bwatakana huna nigo omwana uyu achiete ase amata yaye nabo igo akanyara kaba gakolie ndagera ase chinse mechio ibyo gotebekana koba lindasi roboti yoruo nigo ruwaliganirwa no mulikito Dan Musungu.
Amateyemo kurwase kenyoro kiabo gekaige gotoke myanya Masibi wodi myanya Nyaribali Masaba nigegase ni gotigara no moichano oro monene mono mega yo mongina bwinke yiga gwa ko mwana oyo mumura omoro ase bigoti biaye na komoita okoba yerinda asia tiete kuria bwe jirani yaye
kumbu mwana ni gaita kebisa nyaro akanyaro bondasi bwenge nyomba akaira nyarali ero lende bantu mbamumanya bana bakunda ngilingucha konyora nwara buto kumurusiororo mwana uyo ogonte bintu kiagera nenchara bumuchanga no lengoro ewe kamaroba ngina lende takora kene ngina kumbo ochiro nkonywara amaru otebi umwana ugona to kamambi asigete nali achete ogora ki okuimuki umwana oyo okumwaka buna bagotewa mo mwaka yo gocho kundangiro gontebi subati mata atindete nanda kuito umwana oyo injerembe nali togo chi chato kanyaro umwana yakene naitire musubati yagatama
korengana na nabo igo nabanyakenyora abaigani go banyara kwerera buna digo musubati oiga go ikabono abere ga go itabana baya bo ikaba kure abana bane asabana ubo iga bagase ni gukwa asichinjire chicho bototo kanu ekarwa igo musubati oyo anyate gotamira asigetuo kia abanyanyimbo
bugati tiga itero musubati oyo nchira agatama ku chipolisi ari abasigari banyamasibi bayimugete bakayimuki umwana we baka umwisoko umwabo akamwira bakayichuni ogo ikayichuni tachi bagatumu keroka ari bayiranti nando umwana we wocha ego ika ba pikipiki ko maleta ane kumubeka para togo tebu Nyamasibi umwana nando oletiru ole ubekiru para songo kera tuwatumbaka bosongo umwana oyo nabayigeta gakwera nchira kera kwera nchira tukamugacharene nwale mochari wane kero gito gocha se familia yentu bwata bokong abonene amusubati oyo obereka gutindika abana bane na abana baba gukwa senchire tamanyikaini mara abande twigune nchari ko bari mara abande batoka borere bakwete abana botindikire goika abana bane oyo no yokane
korengana na no mugako monyene enke yiga niganyara kwera nigo musubati oyo abeiro mwenenu asenge yiga kende gionsi agochikoborigwa no mugakoe nigagunchokero mugakoe omochaba na komo abinyerere esenge njoni gegotebekana nyonya no mongino iga nigagotumika amario gari ogotindia ekero igo banyare gosaba eserikali gochigweswana nigotia sengane yiga asenge nche amate iga bo igo nigote babwati nyomba ase bakomenya bo igo nigo botaka bo baetana nete kianda gikomia senge yiga
omusubati oyo akoimoka tamati gore maitachi ya bana amarume tamati bana ngi bakoria amaruno ara kwengotera koreki arubo kimagwa tamati maitachi ya bana omusubati oyo nigo nanya utakisene ngaboneke ngamoreteru nyomba yangoteire endagera konyone chungo nkanda natega musukita bwatiri itukeri nabo rigwete igo gakia serikali mutago ngo nyomba timbwati buna bana iga amate ebatumere tare ngo musubati une to mwana natega musukita bwatiri itukeri nabo rigwete igo gakia serikali mutago ngo nyomba timbwati buna bana iga amate ebatumere tare ngo musubati une to mwana bana na bana ntigarite na aba kende ngei bakuri njera teiyo gakia serikali mutare gongoni
Kuripoti rigeta seni kia getembe kurwa igasi kenyore kiga kiabo geka ikigotoka emianya masibi gwo di mianya ribani masaba erieta liane igongoro kwa Dan Musungu
Ritugo ria lero nigo abarai kurwa ase county ya Kisii nabo igo county ya Nyamira nabo igo chi county chinde gose county ya Nakuru buna bono omuske Samuel Arama oyuro mujumbe webunge ya Nakuru ose ya mukuru ase county ya Nakuru nigwanya ko bakumira na ime ya omocho Nairobi muna abarai bagusi aswanya ko bagokwana amange na kwane kibona nigo bagochikoendera kobwatirana gose nigo bagochikobwatirana gosirana na kora emeremamo bunenjira ya moyo konyorera omugusi nigo boigo wanyarako bakwenekia buna njira eyemo yokugendera sensemyo mugusi gose muna egetakyo mugusi nokobwatirana abarai bonsi bali bachorire omo yego yugose egekarekyo nigo kiaragwa amono mo senator we county ya Kisii omoske Richard Munyonga na boigo omojumbe webunge ya South Mugirango omoske Silvana Sosoro oyiboigore omo chief whip
otebanga gotwachichaga igabuna abarai bagusi I think mwensi moto manyete mheshimiwa Utaria of course chigavana chitubire nchiyo senge nchega sinere bale gokora Senator Nyakuru Nyamira he gave an excuse because he was having a lunch meeting he supposed cover akina motebi agendo otwachira okugamba linga na lisinini tuanchira ne una barai bagusi to ichamo buna bana bamo bali batamanyeti tokoro kumwanya getinge tosikane tuanchane tuanze koranga ki serikali erobone gokolegasi in terms of ngaki turanyale gosaba serikali ebintu gete batoe biri turanyale kuira gusibi chikokonya abantu baitu onye kunyale kana enchereri gigwe tuanze gukwana tukurigia magenderero na arabana inchi batagete gusi so etimu yebuna tuleiga otuancheranire nande tuasikanire to babana bano abamo tuanchane tokolegasi amo nande bono tugochukwana neriogi elimo muntu tayo chukwaneke mambia ankiende kwa ibunekende nande tu decide nga for now ntuli kugamba mangana political parties chipati yeto no chire abara iyo chipati no bale lakini bono tu decide kwira na gusi bono nyumba tole I appreciate abara yaba Mheshimiwa Soro bonsipi Mheshimiwa Jafet na bagambi bali bonsi bale gaiga bakolire gasingiya oyo noro mwelekeo mugusi atagete to ichamo tubuaterane tusikane tuanchane tokolegasi.
Like any other community, all the other communities in Kenya, the community from Gusii is faced with similar challenges that we all know. The challenges of road network, the challenges of health, all those challenges that electricity, I mean, they are not really isolated to only other regions. They also, challenges that we face in Gusii. So we sat today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and fighting together, putting our synergies together to make sure that we pull the resources towards our people for the benefit of the common mwananchi. I think
And next time we believe that our governors and the women reps, especially Mama Doris Donya, who was not here because she has traveled out of the country, and anybody else who's been elected, we want to start working together as a team. At some point, I believe the Chief Whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely, we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government, because all of us understand the Kenyan political matrix has changed. We now have a government that is broad-based. We are no longer having the issues of opposition and other issues. So that is what I wanted to say, and we are very, very proud and happy about this moment. I think this is the first time that all of us have realized the significance of staying together and working together for our community. Hatuwezi kulizungumzia sasa, tutakaa kama viongozi, tutalizungumzia alafu tutatoa ujumbe rasmi. We will answer and respond to those issues very, very soon, once we have all the data and the information.
Yes.
Na tugutigana roboti ruma ncho murigereri nigo abateneri 19 banyataka bago trenigwa emiremo korwa seskuru ya kebabe ase banyataka bago togo sechisimi cyanyataka bachigo toga chisimi sato ase ekrasi sabarko bale kokorera matem nabego chisimi chinde 34 yamo gotoka ase ensemo yobraro imeskuru eyo gakoenekia egekorekio omo DCC okenyenya William Bet nigo bigata yabuna nigo abarokigwabo Koseni gaba yorokigwa oboy mugitiga tambukiro na gosalia enibe yeskuru eyo obotugo bogera rero asamotemo yo akorwa inse yobolendi obostindi asinze mecho unago tumanyo mulike ito Isaiah Maobe
Bobisabu 19 baringe kurigereria matemo ase skuru ya kibabe nigo benyorete hasa konguma yesi musatu gotoka hase kirasi yake moki arenge gukora matemo egintu no nyana bigo kirete bono obunya byobotindi gokorwa ase skuru yo nabo igo chisimi 33 amone yemo gotoka ase dormitory yabamura yeskuru yuna kaenekia mu DCC okenyenya.
Simu 3 zilipatikana katika hilo darasa moja ya mtihani. Ikapatikana simu zingine 31 katika dormitory ya wafulana, na hizo simu zilikuwa on, zilikuwa zinafanya kazi.
Inga nonya chisimi chio chiatogete amo naborokiwa gente kyo tigeteneti amatemu yaborokiwa abo unabono modisisyo yo atebiruna amatemu ayoni gagendrete asoboikiranu.
Wale watoto walipatikana na simu kwa sababu hii ni wakati wa mtihani. Watoto wanaendelea na mtihani, uchunguzi ikiendelea kujua hizi simu zilikuwa zinaingiaje huko kwa shule.
Egere kwene kinga matemu ayonko genderare asobu asyoku na boigo amono murembe abobisa bonzi bateneta matemu ayoni go bateneti wasigeka egintono nyina boigo mo DCC yo ene kiruna nigo obolendi bwatingiwe.
Center manager, deputy na supervisors na invigilators walisimamishwa kazi mara moja na wanaendelea kuandikisha statement na idara ya DCI wale wakiendelea na uchunguzi wao. Wale wapatikana wako na makosa watapelekwa mbele ya sheria.
Na kubwatekana amo negekore kiogyo gotoka chisimi asaborokiwa aborokiwa abo botuko boigoro nigo baimogete na boigo guchaka gusalie nibo yeskuru egentono nyana boigo ebyombe byo botuki byamnyogete na boigo koreta omurembe sebono baine kiribuna abana bonsi no balena nigo bagendrete amatemu.
Tukaweza kutuliza hali mara moja, tukaweza kuita wanafunzi na wakaja hata wa viongozi ya shule, principal alifika, tukazungumzia watoto, tukaambia watulie ndio waweze kumaliza mtihani katika njia ya amani.
Omo DCC Bet nigaene kiringa hagati ye enibo yeskuru yasaletwe ngamo amo ne abisi yobotenere skuru yo naboigo amo nebinto ebinge gati yabo gusaliwa kwebirole ase skuru hiyo.
Zile vitu ziliathirika katika hiyo shule ni tuliona madirisha, hizo vioo vya madirisha zilivunjwa, na pia tukaangalia ofisi ya administration pia ilivunjwa milango na madirisha, na pia laboratory tuliona kama walipika vioo ndio sana ndio zilivunjwa.
Chinga kichecho mudisisio yoni gaboriri abaibori koma amo nobole mwegento no nyina boigo atebire buna haboroki wabonsi ondeta yo nyore tune chingoma ase aene kiruna amatemu yoni gawo chikokoreka ase njira yo morembe na mwero kiwondeta yo urachikorusikwa asa amatemu goika amatemu aelire.
Watoto wote wako, hakuna ule aliumia, labda tu majeraha madogo, lakini waliweza wote kurudi na kufanya mtihani leo asubuhi.
Inkoripotari yegataseni kiagetembe kuruase skuru ya Kibabe kutoka se wodi ya Bukimonge bunge ya Machoge bwa Borobu ime county ya Kisii. Elietaliane Isaiah Maobe.
Naboigo ya mata ya mukuru wa chinsa machiari uli wodi ya Masimba nigegendrete gotigara no mwichano magiga yogo tanyora libaga lyo kwenia umwanchu wabo kubwatikana amono botutukana bolese amatejo osoko musana na gati ya Nyagosira amo na mumuro mwabo oyu otatageti mumuro mwaba tinde kwego sahe nigwe kubwatikana amono kumusana na kubole mwasi chinsa mecho.
Omwana ominto ombogo yobaire okorara niga arwarete tokaiguna arwarete amaene pinando tokaiguma mumuro ominto manene ngomwerali nyakitari ekyare familia yali kwenyara omwana ominto bunabona asirete iga mwana ominto omumuro ina roli kolime migondo yonsipi bono agatwaro kosemelinga namo nyakitari tamoya batiembe tokarangeria omugori ekero bona amaseri korwoye agateba omugori mugoni amaene tokonya oboremo tokanya omosamari agatoa 20 tokagerete omwana ominto kona nyakitari erinda abwene tokwirana rinde tokorane nomugori oyo iga ebatiembe agasira bono emeroberi kegenderete ekiagera amotige tabu karwarete akagenda moro ochire bono igago komboleni ng'omogori oyu ng'aki akogora oborimo iga mborimo kibore iga akogora embe igoro akaga ebitiso omogori oyo agatika kotoa chibesa konyora efamiri yaremire enyomba bono omwana oyo atebete erusi kumata abwe ebekuchi ase atagete bono efamiri ekwamete omobere okwamete mochari omomuro niga agendete kotisia efamiri amana into abasibati ng'a nkotoitare intu ntoramorama ntorakora kende nande ntorarira muntu intu bono omwana oyo minto nasembe igora amenyete twataka tumanya kuri serikali gose nabwata oborimo kyare abaigori mbabaterete onye oborimo oboro obwaye tumanya no obwaye omukungu yagenda nabana tomotigero oborimo kyare oborimo oboremire emyaka emenge no agoreire bakomungu no moke oborimo kurwa bumoro obwo bukale moro ne family ya rusi echibesoro tomotigero oborimo obwo efamily egende timoke soba
tata bunasirete abatua omonto twasemerete ore komokonya tachiti komokonya bono ikire omusomi ntorarire bono tukabanga emeroberi yaye tata nene abangete omonto akanyora oyo kogora omogondo 50 by 100 tukabanga ng'a agateba gakobwena chibesa igotigara agachirwa ase getabu para korogoro goito bono ikire omogaka ominto ango yane omuro omonene ikire osoire gotenenia omonto oria ore gotoa chibesa
mwana ominto osirete na achire se itokorera na nyora mangana garo amakongo mwana ominto ori na gabegete bitango mwana ominto tatinde bono tuachire se serikali kumuranti mojo motokonyo mwana oyo ominto atinde ku senchere ndonge abana baembara omongno enaro entubuna abana bamwabo tumaye mwana ominto otinde ku serikali yostigesa esimbarati bonso so imetokonye mejande yonsiere mwana ominto atinde ku aina nabwate gaki.
Evans Makori oyore omumanacha w'ebunge ya Nyaribali chache inze yobora ibwaye omoske Sairi Chanda niganyarakaba gakora aba bwatani bande korwase awisi yebunge yo gojia ase obokurwa obokonyi gochese amatayemo yanyaraka gosiria omwanchu abo wetera musomo basukano na batale konyara koikirania emirobiri yonsi yokumwenia naboigo noane yokumwagachira enyumba wetera ase omo manager Evans Makori nigo omoske Sairi Chanda hanyaraka bagakobwatoka obokonyi asinjira naboikurwa mabati ezinde oyo anyaraka bagakwagachirwa enyumba roboti urwo nigo rwaleganirwa no mulikito Boniface Ongeri.
Maiga ya mateyamo korwa ase kinyoro kia geterere ime ya kiumbu ase bunge nyaribari chache korera na kuboria gokonywa asogokora emirobiri ya nyagosira William Nyamari eyo yaburire nchira imagoroba ya lero ni gobono ya mateyo yabotokirwa obokonyi bokoroberia amatangayo naboigo amabati obokonyi baboko batokwa amone abisi yo mubunge bwenseme yo moskeza irijanda
janda menene ase ngencho twari kurigichombe tokorosie nyumba sanduku netakeire kere gento endagira bono mpaka eikera toligereri busa lakini akera yeikeiriga mweshimiwa itakera toigure naso ito toiranire gusaba gwaito tokoiranire ng'ambi mono akitiganya sawa itagendera ko mwachi nguru naenda konya abande talinga ni tutweka
mono na mwaikira o maene ntubono twalinya gushuka ngora tunya muno muroche nyombe ya omire kabireye odonya komana tatenya koma ondoko tokonya kene tekubeka igo bono twalenga tine ego sinyapi torushye kerame kutubeka waje kubena kyale lakini watena totraji kurushya tubeke mete igo rawu na wonya sara koro konja kwaye
bakurawa na Evans Makori abo bisabaiga ni government abuna gokonya mbuya na monas chamate kire kivwate oboremerwa ao boigo amakongu egetambokero boigo amate nyogosira yagokera
Urayo bomboli raisi lakini ngotemara sa kunyara inumo manyete anytime umuganeti ngotemare sawa sawa aenderende yona assurance tokorunga na otogendrete ko bamunainwe mpaka mukole program ya matanga
nande nyasa momento chinguru nonyane mireme ya ikanansirete keruge kiaye nyasa mokonye nande ngakienda agenderere inteni gona irene ngasinya sai asimoko genda abana bana magenda buya ayimu akorire mbiya muno intena ikunyara gaki utole mere krasi dagera tei kenenge ngongo sabonga mbiya muno ayimu akorire
Nyagosira William Nyamari nigo asireti obugima bwaye ekiaeta asensemo ya Nakuru maiga yogoitwa n'abantu batamanyekaneti kinga kiaringe asemiremo yoborende wabotuko kinko ripota ya egeteni kiagatembe Eriane Boniface Ongeri
na abarandi goserombe abarandi tukulia lero nigo banyaka bamukumirana ime yomu ibugani yomo ime yomo chibosongo asabanyaka bakurwa ogosegeta buna abarandi bonsi bachamo na gokora omoyiga gosokomirana gugusabira orogongoro gusina boigo ensengima kubatukana amo nobotutukano na matemwa agendrete kororekana nigo boigo banyaraka bakwireri bagelio gokwanira igore matemwa manene agendrete KCSE atobanyaka bakuboria boibori na bwatane bonsi kubwata siana gosegeta aborokigwa abagende gokora amatemwa yo KCSE
la ronto no moko maneke gima kunya bagini baito korwa kembekia Shine the World obayo tado mojogusi kolete nchie na ense yetu ya gusi especially umako gocha na roba ja sengi joka introduction nse yetu ya bere nime jande menge abantu bakwengenta magera mange abantu bange bara nyali ngale nyasa weta se kembekia Shine the World tomenga nyasa na joje njagusi konya kolebe gusi yenge njomono na kukinia otola kwa gusi oswe mangana ke nyasa jole gusi eko era mbara bataba unleashed lakini weta seke megia Shine the World ndono mananga nyasana cyo change yagusi
ya abaminto abagusi baito esmotegerete na ande smoko ligere kuruase mwikaransete igona no mogoko monne sana on behalf au kaniaba yabarandi bons p abagusi esbare ime ya Kenya na isko ya Kenya in the diaspora asengenjo yawa minto kurwa America a ministry kurwa Shine in the World Ministries ekokole minimo pamoja na a ministry kurwa World Apostolic Network asoko chamo kolengana namasabo asabirwe ase miaka ya etire abaminto basabire abakoli emerebo ya tata abapastor baito aba bishop aniji ministry gaiga Kisi na Nyamira bakole emereme Yeremia.
Thank you, Bishop, and thank you, the clergy team and the church community here in Kisi. On behalf of Shine in the World Ministries, our president, and our team of ministers from around the world, I bring you greetings, I bring you love, Amen. And we are saying the time for Kisi is now. Yeah. We are not a church, we are a Christian evangelistic mission, working around the world. We work interdenominationally alongside like-minded teams like the World Apostolic Network under the auspices of our bishop. And we have been waiting for this moment.
Abana baito ngokora bara matemu. Abaibuli gakitenena na abana ba support kabisa basabere babeke chinguru ba encourage na abana baito esmole le makapisa ekyagera amatemu gokora na alia ya masomo mwasomire ebitabu mwaligireirie na inde ali mwaorokereiriwe class na arumojiko translate as exam igo mwasiko panic na inde bali bakungainereria ngamatemu nale akoniwa kaki tamakuru ororo ekyagera okuno gusupportage e future y'abana baito igato kubasabira amaya buna barandia ngo babikira turamasabo na kweyena nganyasaye nabae obubwi bwa bene asedeteri ya Yesu Kristo.
Tumurigariri abo no tokwenda omutimo komokeigo ase tokugenda asensema ya kabiri studio tunyale obosemia bwagatembe kurase omogaka ochoi Nyambasora.
Magaka ninjo gatembe ninjo dorome mangana man bagina ninjo
bori oguturengi namanyete mbara mabene itienkyo bori oguturengi no munyaliba motorenge mugambi w'abanyali bali umugambi ligwono matentu wata bagambi amagwono nabagambi bebisiti abagambi bebisiti nabagaye tawazunga APCT XY APCT bali musonga ajeta akanyora akababeka abunga inchobona mosome mo babantu amugo bakora ku mugambi gete barukulyete liye batizoro matayo ratemo abandu bakora barukulaba ni mutaruki magega yabwo ntu abwata bagambi amagwono buno bono yo guturenge unanya mwamwitewe ne ligwono ba musanya nduzi nombo gambi bwebisiti bono yo likuru ku guturengia umunyali bali igare ngo umugambi umanyete ngana buri yango guturenge nole na ligesere na iberi asenara akurgunya giturengia kuta komanye ngana no mbono nkole ngani nkurunge ina bero yo komanye ngana abantu bali ko ndo bayikaranza barengereri kabisa bamnyore ngana bono mugusi ate bana ki bori oguturengi namanyete mbara mabene itienkyo mbara mabene ororiyo oyo kubarere tamaberi yoka tagutakireti mayandonse maya tagutakireti pi osino muhama to yoro kurumuinabu osino ndoro lire bworo lyo mwana ndo osina abandi rabatumira abantu bose bakali osino uchimaiko osina abaga bandi bo muchibondo kero kendo bete nangenjo gete ubwato buyose seniri bono yo mobana kona bona bakona kobona musyo ibero iga bakona bona bayori bale bantu beli betu mbale kusi libetu oli abedi abwata wole mbolemo yabwata mpanda bakana ni chingoko bakana ni chinsi bagara montabu wata libetu kabisa ngombo uchi kuboka mwe misumali yebekeire ne libetu kei boli ogutulengia namate ngambara mabe oyo kobarere tamabe ne itienkyo
Magaka ninjo gatembe ninjo dorome mangana man bagina ninjo
na boigo omo DCC oborabu gosubu sub county ya borabu omanyikatab na Stanley Kamande niganyal kabaga koboli abantu bonsi bali bakora emirema ci serikali au kwene kya namba bwato bwa matobuya na bananchi ligere karabako kenda litaya gosabago cyo motiboko banyoranga ngonyara bali bakwaliganirwa n'abantu bali barengeka Kamande nigali kukwana iga ase umuyiga ubwo timoka goseboko kora emiremo o Alfred Onchonga oyo beire omo senior chief ase nakokora emiremo ase eka kietaneti emyaka 70
Konyera siana ngono buchibe education yesise division borabu sub county na koliga siasa myaka 70 no yo munenus onenga kiana ya ikirengo chikoritaya bakenya sayambi yamono anda ira se myaka yonse na koliga siasa mopaka gasia nkongu yo kwati chombe isigi paka na ikirengo ngoritaya so ngote yambi yamona sabantu bonse na gambire asokombwatisia komaiga yane paka na ikirengo kiyega bitukulia leo nimba tumu igone wako kwali kurwabisi abantu bamwe bakwangiro kwali nchika mbine n'abantu baminta somolembe
nanche nkumwiranira nyasaye ng'ambi yamono gekogera kuruchinga kichu mwaka etu bugambi tu fo tuabeire nabwo ndochenga okolire gasi yaye buya kabisa urendire eke erie ya borabu uchungire chiombe muna chiko ibua no ale amona abamu aba bakubwaterana naende bono ikire ingaki yaye yo kuchikuritaya.
So mimi nasema don't go and rest. Ukienda kupumzika hautaenda mahali parefu. Umeelezewa there is a lot of roles you can pray. Enda kwa kanisa, kuna kazi ya Mungu bado iko utafanya. Katika community endelea kutumikia wananchi. Na ni kujituma hapa because most of these elder umeona hapa you are aware hawalipi mshahara, ni kujituma. But there is a blessing that comes from serving people. Na hiyo blessing utaivuna if you decide to volunteer your services to the people. Wapatie advice, ingia kwa vikundi. He is an authoritative advisor. Anakuambia kitu yenye ni ya ukweli, yenye itakusaidia kusonga mbele. Even after retire, kumbe kuna kazi. So we shall do that. Watu wengine wao wanaharibu. Wakati hapa na kiraoni, anaenda nyumbani na kiraoni, anavaa kiraoni yake mpaka nyumbani, anaharibu. So if I mistreat them, if I ignore them, if I abandon them, the same thing will happen during my retire. They will mistreat me, they will abandon me, and I will have a difficult time during retire. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri mkae vizuri na watoto wako, mkae vizuri na wake wako, and then you have a good time during retire. Sasa uwede unyenyekee.
Manjumo rigari gukorera na matuko 48 ayarire kurwa umurobori omuyiya bubo bwenia umanyekanete buna NHIF kurusi kwararo nilibagari yae koirwa amono umurobori omanyekete buna SHIF go Social Health Insurance Fund ogoragwa go solense yobotenelibwa Social Health Authority na ritukurie goro nigo abajumbe baireteri bagaria bene na gukwanira igoro umurobori oyo kubatikana hamna nigo nyare ko bakokwanekia obotutukanu amo nejitangutangu tinyinge korwa 790 abu abange banyaka bako emurungania buna murobori utranyaka bagwikirania ebirengereri byabo eji negati yechingwana cyabajumbe ritukurie goro ime yebunge enene.
Honorable Speaker, it is usually the desire of every government to provide health care to its citizenry. And as it were, Honorable Speaker, there was need to change from what was old and of old generation, the National Hospital Insurance Fund, to what was presumed to be a better quality healthcare system, the Social Health Insurance Fund, SHIF, that is to be managed by the Social Health Authority.
The authority is called Social Health Authority. And this authority, that is the SHA. This authority was a creation of this House. It runs 3 funds: the Social Health Insurance Fund, the Emergency, Chronic and Critical Care Fund, and the Primary Health Care Fund. All the 3 funds now replaced the one fund which we had, the NHIF.
To catch. What about people who are self-employed? What about the indigents? What are we able to do to them now? And that is where the problem is, because they can register. And even when they register, then you have to determine the premium they have to pay. As it is now, that is not working well.
Of the public into the Social Health Insurance Fund. It might be politically expedient and very politically correct to speak to the gallery of how things are not working, but as we speak to Kenyans on how things are not working, let us remember that Kenyans have charged us with the responsibility to make sure that things do work for them.
One of the things that I can indeed say is that the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So it is actually too early to even say, we would be cheating ourselves to say that here are the benefits. We don't know the benefit yet. If you are an excellent person at monitoring and evaluation, you cannot say within a month that we can see the benefits. So yes, we will probably see the benefits much later.
And I have decided, since Sunday I decided that I'm going to help. So for me, I'm going to go out flat to register all my constituents. But we have to involve other players. Let's not say that we have enough staff. Those CHPs, if they were trained to actually register people in this scheme, it would work.
Services. But today they are being asked to register again. And I think this is where the biggest problem is. So we would like to hear from those responsible why there was no bulk transmission of existing members under the previous insurance scheme.
Denial to access to health. I went to 2 hospitals that are mission run, 1 public referral hospital and 1 level 2 hospital. And I interacted with the patients and I gathered there is a big problem.
With the implementation of SHA and SHE, it's about the clarity of the transition. Mr. Speaker, when the government decided to move from NHIF and now to the SHA, which is the authority, and with the benefits that we are being given by the chair from SHE to the emergency to the primary care, there was no proper communication and clarity.
Just like any other program or project, there will be those teething problems when it's being implemented. And I think that is where we should focus. But there are also success stories. Honorable Speaker, I'm just from my constituency. The whole week, I was not in Parliament last week. And I did public participation. And one of the issues I was sensitizing my people on was on SHA.
Every member here, I'm sure every weekend, you are being called for some arambe, even when they know they burnt arambes. You are being asked to contribute for some sick person. It is humanitarian. You can't start telling them arambes were banned.
Put a desk in our constituencies. Let us register our people through our community health workers so that we see these numbers, so that we now get to understand, and even as ourselves, to have a tent here, outside here.
So this is basically the main problem that we have as a nation. All these registration processes have failed before. In the last parliament, we placed 6 billion each year for 3 years for purpose of registering indigents. Nothing came out of it.
What is the fate of the NHIF staff? As a result of that, they expect them to work as if they are very happy. And these are some of the things you don't get right and you fail. The third point, Honorable Speaker, the issue of the budget. The allocation has been less than a quarter of what is expected. But to make things worse, we come here and publicly announce that we have a digital system which we are going to install, which is going to cost 104 billion.
We have access to social media, we have local media, we have vernacular media. Why don't you use all this that you have access to educate Kenyans properly, to understand this, and also take on the feedback that you're receiving from Kenyans?
Government must take this thing very seriously, because even as I speak, there are many people who are not registered anywhere. I think this we need to do something on very, very urgently. And in addition to that, a bad mistake was done that there was no public participation adequate.
To take up more responsibility and more debts. So it's therefore important the executive needs to assure service providers that whatever you are owed by NHIF will still be taken over by SHA after the due diligence process is completed. Second, Honorable Speaker, yes, we might have insurance cover, but if the primary facilities do not have adequate resources, then the entire system, Honorable Speaker, is going to collapse.
Mwanjwa omo rigereri abono tokorera ekionga chinsainye obutuko bwarero kurenda okonyeretu omo ambassador abwense America gocha sense ya Kenya Mosbat Meg Whitman oyurenge ase orogongo rwa gusi gosikobwa mone county ya Kisii chi wiki inke go chietiro samatuko mogega itire niga anyara koba gakorwa ri uko gochiase omorai wense America omuske Joe Biden na kwani kiabuna nigarachi gwetigia emiremo rimorioka na kubwatakana amono kubwa kwa Donald Trump muna omorai omuya wense America inyerubuna Donald Trump nigaratia nigwe omwaka gocha chitariki 20 omotienyi omotanga nigoze January unatokorera ekionga chinsenye obotuko bwa lero cheni gongoro kwa runyo toto nyangiri otobwatira na kuranza memenyerero ligakoro Wilson Makoli abaye kuranza ya transmission ligakoro kwa DJ Atsan Otkevin Ongeri twara otukobya
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamugusi Godmart Supermarkets nigobono egokorariria obukoreri bwa wholesale asichinsegia chaye chonze naboigo nkorwere chiofa chabene chichi weekend ase ebintu gete ebibikoni gwa ase supermarket echiga babwate amaguri amaya ase ebintu byonse bakoria nyurega Godmart Supermarket nere korosia umugati umwanzu buja kabisa ase orogongo Rega mabwate jinsagia bunabono orusegero Kisi Town orure Nyambera angena Guardian Angel Bus Stage rusegeronde n'urugembo ekero kugenda gucia ase police station se ebigambiro bya ugembo rungo n'urusegero Kisi Town CBD rure mbarabare na Huduma Center enda etakoli poke supermarket iga niriguridianse egere bwenyorere ebintu bya utegete Godmart Supermarket, get more for less. Getemba Television ekionga kiamamugusi
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusegasigire mechando ao ya marwaire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya mainga egatemiremende emashini ye nigo eroseraniriye amaryogo ayo akurukwa nano diamond titanium ayo agutumeka ase okugwenia hale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole oboigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwaire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarekao eyeko yarongeye igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imeyenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best iko bagotuka imeyumo chobo songo ase nyumba ya Oru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bare nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
ncha samarieta ngoro kwanongaki ana arwareta marwaire ara mange nkagenda chinya gitari yao korigyo obogwenia egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chinyinga konyoro obogwenia nkaewa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbe tinkonyoro bogweni boikiranete kero nacha Nuga Best ngashugulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinje abete chigonkonyo mogongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boigo na maroira ndamanga yale ngo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi nigwetera sete namba chabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyuere www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamugusi
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Geni uhuru maine ochire kuma
etukayo womo ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutuka miliyoni cy'ubusongo igiye konya ebintu ao aseli guririgo kona n'umuguko nkonya bale ebintu by'ubwaga kibuna bono amabati kurwasi cye company ao emesumali y'ekingenjo cyonsi cyicuma cy'ubwaga cy'ekingenjo cyonsi chiwaya buna bono binding wires chiwilbaro chisimiti cy'ubwaga kurwasi cye company ao egati y'ebintu binde binge by'ubwaga mwigo mbabwa boards buna kiri cha MDF egati y'ebintu binde ebinge asinsemu y'ebintu by'enyumba nkonya bale mattress cy'ekingenjo cyonsi nabigicire cy'ekizayizi ao mbabwata kitangi cy'ekizayizi ao nkonya bale boyigo ebintu byokulya buna bono amabuta y'ekingeni kurwase cye company ao amasi ya mandasi kurwase cye company ao aya yokoruga cy'icumbi cy'isukari egati y'ebintu binde by'obutumeki